Hi everybody, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will know about ungrouped data and group data. So let us write ungrouped data and group data. So first of all, I will discuss about ungrouped data. So an ungrouped set of data is actually a list of numbers. For example, if you write marks obtained by students in a class, if you write here, so this is the marks obtained by students in a class. So you can say that this is ungrouped data, and this data is also called individual series because each individual observation is written there. So this is also called individual series. Now I am going to explain group data. So what is group data? Group data are classified into various groups, and a table will be formed. So let us see here. So in group data there are two types of group data. The first one is discrete series. I am writing 2A here. So first one is discrete series. And the second one is continuous series. Here I will explain about discrete series, and thereafter I will explain about continuous series. So now I am going to explain discrete series. So actually this in discrete series the numbers along with their frequencies are written in table form. So let us see it. For example, if I am making a table, I am writing here marks and frequency, and here I am also writing the marks. So these were the marks: 65, 65, 75, 75, 65, 75, 80, 75, 80 and 85. So here if you write 65, so count it: 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, so you will write here 3. Then 75, 1, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. So you will write 75 4 times, 80 1 time, second time. So 80 you will write 2 times, and finally 85 it has come only 1 time, so 1 time. So this is called discrete series in group data. Now I will explain continuous series. So let us see continuous series. So continuous series. So actually in continuous series you will create a table but also class interval. So see that here. Class interval, okay, and here frequency. So again I am going to write the number or the marks obtained by students. So marks were 65, 65, 65. Let me write it again. So marks were 65, again 65, 75, 75, again 65, 75, 80, 75, 80 and 85. So how will you write? Actually here you will write in class interval. For example, from if you make a class interval like this one, 65 to 74. Okay, so you can observe that from 65 to 74 there are 3 students. Okay, this one and this one. If you observe that from 75 to 84 there are 6 students, and from 85 to 94. Yes, 6 students. You can see that 75, 75, 75, 80, 75 and 80. And from 85 to 94, only 1 student. So this is called continuous series data. So you have learnt about ungroup data and group data. In group data there are 2 types, discrete series and continuous series. So I hope you have understood about ungroup data and group data. Thank you very much to watch this video.